This is a quick video on how I use WeBull options. Hopefully you'll get some ideas on how you can use it in your trading platforms. So let's get into it. So you can use your platform on a mobile phone, PC or a Mac versions, and a Chrome version. I actually like the Chrome version better because I can have multiple tabs up to look at different stocks. Um, you are only allowed 3-day trades for small accounts. So for options, that's a big deal because sometimes you want to be a scalping option trader versus a multi-day trader. So it's important to know that if you want to get in and out in, let's say, 15 minutes, you can only do that 3 times in a 5-day period. Um, so there is a free stock for joining and a free stock for funding your account, and you can use my link to do that. It's in the description, and you can immediately ask for option tradings on new accounts, but you have to tell Webull that you are a risky investor. So some of the tools they have on there, you can actually trade with fake money and make sure your strategy is going to work. They have tons of chart tools there for you to use personally. You're automatically given a margin account, so if you want to get into a trade and you don't have enough cash to get into it, you can use their money to make sure you're in the trade the right way. And a bonus tool is if you join my group, you'll get you'll see our Zoom calls and see our 5 signal setup that knows when to get into an option. So here's some assumptions about, I guess, you. You're looking for more training. You have a small account. You should start with a small account, rather. You understand the options are derivatives and not assets. So you want to know, you're making an assumption about how good the pie will taste for a bunch of people versus I actually have a pie and how much do I have to eat. So it's completely different question being answered, options versus standard equity trades. Um, and then just when you start out, we prefer you only do SPY trades, SPY options, because they're so liquid and they have a small spread and you can get in and out on small trades so quickly versus every other stock. So we can get into that more in our room, but that's our secret sauce to bringing new option traders into the game. Um, and you may have more than one trading account to get around that 3-day rule I was talking about. So you can do 3 day trades on Robinhood and 3-day trades on WeBull. You can kind of get 6-day trades in a day and make more money because you know that you have a good system in place. All right. So yeah, again, please use my WeBull link. Really easy to use. You'll get access to my team for 2 weeks for free. If you open an account, use an account, use my link, like it's your email. Um, I'll give you the stocks that I got from Webull. It could be up to $1,400 or $250, and I'll give that to you. And we recommend that even if you don't join our group, that you do some paper trading for 3 days, kind of get used to the system. And again, recommend that you don't put too much money into the system to start, and that you worry about risk management. So we cut our losses fast when a trade doesn't go our way, and we know when to leave a trade when we have a profit. So that's kind of what scalping is. You have penguins see a bunch of fish in the water and they say, wow, let's go get some fish. Well, the first penguin to goes in as the brave penguin because there may be sharks in there, and the rest of the penguins kind of wait and see whether or not there's a shark. And so we wait and see. We don't jump in first and look for sharks. Um, we're kind of the second or third penguin that jumps in, and we get our bellies full of fish, and we don't wait around till the shark comes. We get out of the water with a full belly, right, and before getting into a shark's belly. So we're getting in and out of a small window, let's say 15 minutes, probably the maximum, and we're making a lot of money in that short amount of time because all the signals say, hey, it's about to go up really quickly for a short period of time. So, like I said, I use options trading. Once you're in your account on the Chrome link, you can go to that link above there and go to your stocks page. And then once you're on your stocks page, you actually have to open up a separate window for options, and we'll get into that in the live demo. There's lots of technical data. So compared to Robinhood, like level two, lots and lots of data compared to Robinhood. Robinhood has almost no data on level two. It feels like. Anyway, um, kind of what we do. Our average contract size is about $80 on SPY, and if we win, we're winning on average about $10 per contract. And if we lose, we're getting out before we have too bad of losses with some things that we have in place to make sure, hey, we're going to limit our losses, so our losses are lower than our gains, which is always good. And we always strive to have more um, wins than losses, and we do, and we can prove that in our Zoom meetings. So you can we can back up what we're saying here with our recordings. You want to check those out and see that yeah we are winning and we're making money. Okay, this is the way the Webull looks like on a mobile. It was easier to kind of do it this way quickly. I wanted to do it in and out and kind of share my screen with my partner here. Um, so we're in here on Spies. Um, let's see. Uh, the share price is $293.99. All right, and we're gonna buy something that's higher than. We're gonna buy a call. We think it's going up. We're gonna buy a call that's actually higher than this price. We're gonna get into a contract higher than this price, and we're going to try and sell it uh, as the contract price goes up. We don't care necessarily what that is in comparison to the actual stock price. Again, this is not a stock, it's just a contract we're buying. So we would buy the contract at one price and sell it at a higher price. So um, here we go. It's at 294.01, starting to move up. So the contract prices are going to start to creep up here. Um, so it was below the line, above the line, so I bought it immediately. I do a buy of a call here, and then it gives me a reminder that I'm doing something. I say, okay, I understand, and it shows me my wins and losses possibility, and I hit confirm, and now I own it. I'm gonna go and make sure it's going up. So here it is. The price I bought it at 81. All of a sudden pops up to 84. It's time to sell. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna call. I'm gonna get into a sell situation. It's already starting to go down. Get into a sell situation. Show me my profits and losses, and I'm out. Really quick option order fill. That's what it looks like on WeBull, and it's sending notifications for every movement you make if you want, so you know what's going on. This is after your trades are all settled and you want to know what's going on. Um, you can see what it looks like on your mobile as well. So these are your profits and losses. It shows you how much you made in your stocks, how much you made on your options, and based on different stocks you have, how much you made, and how much you made and lost compared to this yellow line is the uh, stock market overall, and the blue line is you. So at the end of the day, or at some point, you want to know how you did uh, for yourself and versus the market. And this account page, so app.webull.com/account will give you all that. So this is a brand new account that someone's having me kind of break in for them, and that's why I'm using it to kind of show how Webull does options. I made this video for them. So you'll see here number of day trades left. It says you have two. All right. Um, he knows when, like, to the next today, and then Tuesday you'll have two, Wednesday two, Thursday two, Friday two. So it tells you how many day trades you have left with a smaller account. Um, you you get trade confirmations via email, so that's pretty cool. You get to see how you did versus other markets like that. see what else. This is my daily P&L. So I bought something that went down, and I bought my option, which went up. So my option did make some money, as we saw. And then let's see. Here we go. So I bought the SPY for 8.11, and I sold it about 33 seconds later for a profit of almost $2, about $2. So that is, well, it'll show you everything there, and that is it. Not much more going on there. You saw in the previous video, sorry for the sound, but it showed you how I bought and sold that. This is a brand new account, so the cash actually came through today, which was weird. But we've been trading. I actually bought more than I actually had on some things, which was weird. So yeah, cash came in today, but I've been trading $500 before. So platforms like WeBull will let you trade money. It doesn't actually hit, even though because they know that ACH is coming, even though the ACH takes 3 days from it to move between institutions. So that is WeBull. It's great. You'll love it. Lots of data. And like I said, I'm setting this person up with a Robinhood account and a WeBull account so they can have 6 to 8 trades a week. And then we'll set them up with everything else. So we hope you use the link below in the YouTube machine here, and we just want you to have lots of discipline when you make these trades. Unfortunately, this was not disciplined, so I apologize for that. Thankfully, I won. It was just for showing you guys how to do it, a real live trade, and we want you to be consistent about it. We'd love for you just to trade and SPY for your first 10 weeks, really understand options and the foibles and everything that can happen with it. And we want you to make lots of money. So we want you to get in and then set limits and make sure you don't lose, and make sure when you win, you win okay. You don't win super big. We're not trying to gamble on money. We're trying to be investors. Again, so talk to you guys.